What is flushing and why do water companies do it? Each year, we flush the pipes in our drinking water system to provide high-quality water and keep our systems healthy. We do this by simultaneously opening fire hydrants in a specific area to increase water flows. Flushing our system helps clean out mineral deposits and sediment buildup inside our pipes. It also allows us to check flows from our fire hydrants to help ensure proper operation and community safety. When we're flushing in your community, you may notice a drop in water pressure or discolored water. Discoloration is caused by the sediment in the pipes that gets stirred up by the increased water flow. This is normal, and if it happens, it is not harmful. Simply let your water run until it is clear. Be sure to opt in for non-emergency alerts in your My Water account to receive notifications before we start flushing in your neighborhood. And check the alerts page on our website for the full flushing schedule. Learn more about flushing and water quality on our website.